see progress. I've been not near the house all week because it was so busy with people. So as you can see, the windows are now in, and they're putting all the cladding on the outside. So this is all the highly insulated mineral wall stuff, I think they call it. So it's non-flammable and used quite often on industrial buildings in New Zealand, but in England and Europe it's used on residential buildings as well. So yeah, it's all pretty busy. We've had masses of scaffolding on. I think it's looking quite cool, but the house just looks bigger. It's got ridiculously thick walls now, but I think the windows look really neat. Yeah, so maybe we'll go and have a look inside. This is the conservatory with the windows in. So this is looking pretty nice. Obviously, you can't see into the garden just at the minute because obviously it's all got cellophane on it and special protective wrappings, but that's the conservatory door. We haven't got the front door in yet, and they've still got to do the insulation on the inside of that piece of wall and the back wall. But yeah, it's looking like a really nice space, I think. Okay, and then into the main house. You can see now we've got a kitchen window. And then when you go into the sewing room, we've got that window there. That's an opening window. And then we've got this window here, which is a non-opening window, which just looks out into the conservatory. So very nice, very light and bright. Oh, sorry, I'm not swinging you around. And then we've got this sweet little door, the back door. It's like a little tiny hobbit door, which is so cute. So that's in there. The rest of the pantry is pretty much the same. And then here, that's the front door, which still isn't in place yet. That's grey on the outside and should be white on the other side, let's hope. You can see now that the French doors are in and they're folded back. All the builder stuff in the middle. There's daughter number 2 trying out the living room. The husband's there sitting in bed, I believe. Virtual bed. Then we've got the windows in here. So this is cool. This is a really nice, light, bright space with the corner windows through into the bedroom. Those windows there, they're opening French doors. They look quite cool. And then, sorry to swing you around, we're going to go into the ensuite. And we've got this little window here, which is rather nice. It's quite low down on the wall, which I didn't realise, which is really nice in here. It makes it feel like an intimate space. So yeah, all the shower and everything still needs to go in here, but the window's in. Guest bathroom. Got a little window there. Guest bedroom. Try not to trip up. We've got 2 windows there either side, and then in the middle we're going to have a fold down bed because this is a sort of a spare room and other thing rooms. Anyway, that's about it. Oh yes, the door is white on the back. I can see it now. See, look, white on the back. That's the inside. And here we are back in the kitchen, looking at the scaffolding. Yeah, oh well, catch you next time. That's just a quick update from where we are now.